Here is how you can graph the HR diagram for this lab in Microsoft Excel. First, we will copy over absolute magnitude into a column to the right of the temperature. Click on this cell, equal sign, click on absolute magnitude from the same row, enter. Go back and copy the function down. Next, select these two columns, temperature and the copied absolute magnitude. Insert, charts, scatter, dots only. Design, quick layout, first one, and then change the titles. You can get rid of the legend. Click on one of the numbers from the horizontal axis. Right-click and format axis. Change minimum to 2000 and maximum to 32,000. Click Values in reverse order, logarithmic scale, base 2. Enter. Finally, vertical axis crosses at maximum axis value. Next, click on the vertical axis. Right-click, format axis. Check the bounds and change horizontal axis crosses at maximum value, and values are in reverse order. Notice this way we have the main sequence and the red giants represented.